Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay. Apple Pay or Apple Wallet is one of the most important applications that you should have on your iOS phone. It's completely free and will save you much time and effort. Now first you should go to the application on your phone. Then once you open it, you will find here on the top right corner this plus sign right here. You can click on it. Then now you will be able to add your card details, whether it's credit card or debit card. You can also just scan the card with your mobile or even enter all the details manually. You can also add your driver's license or state ID, but this is actually very limited. And when talking about the debit or credit cards, most of them are compatible with Apple Wallet. So don't worry about adding your credit or debit card to this application. Now, when you go back and click on any one of your cards, you will see here all the latest transactions. And when you click on any one of these transactions, you will see more details about the transaction, including the date, the merchant, and also how much money that you have paid and at which time this transaction has been made. And now let's talk about how you can actually pay with Apple Pay application. It's very easy. All you have to do is to just click on the side button twice. And after that, it will show you this page right here with this text hold near reader. Now you have to make your phone near from the terminal in order to accept the transaction. You will hear a beep sound, then a check mark will be displayed on your screen. So you don't have actually to open your phone, then navigate to the application. All you have to do is to just double click on the side button and it will jump you directly into Apple Pay, and it will use the default or the main card that you have, and you can change your main card or your default card from time to time. And another good feature in Apple Pay is that you can not only use your Apple phone, you can also use the iPad or any other Apple products like the Apple Watches, for example. And when using Apple Watches, you can simply do this by clicking on the side button twice as in phone. Then you will get your main credit card on the screen, and after that you can simply make the front of your watch in front of the terminal and it will read the details of your credit card. Then the transaction will be successfully done. So you can use this feature anywhere that they have the terminal that supports Apple Pay. You can use it in restaurants, clothes stores, cinemas, and so on. Now let's say that you have an expired card or even a card that you do not have access to and you have added it before to your Apple Pay. In this case, you may want to delete it. So what you should do is to simply click on the card that you want to delete it. Then here you will see up on the right corner, this circle with 3 dots inside. Just click on it and it will show you this page. Now you have to scroll down till you get this option right here, remove this card, and this will remove the card with its all data completely from your Apple Pay application. Another important feature that you will find in Apple Pay application is that you can use your Apple Pay in order to pay for any products that you can purchase from any store online. So let's say that you want to buy something from Amazon, for example, and you have to use your credit card or debit card and you don't want to enter all of your data again. So you can simply click on Buy with Apple, and Apple Pay will provide all the necessary details of your credit or debit card in order to pay for the product. And I advise you guys, for more security, I advise you guys to use a VPN when purchasing online, because by this feature, you will be double shielded from hackers, cookies, or even trackers. So when you try to buy something online using Google Pay, secure this payment by using VPN. And you have many different VPN programs that you can use from your phone. For example, you can use ExpressVPN or other VPNs that have high level of security. And the last feature that I'm going to talk about in this video is that you can transfer money to one of your friends that has also Google Pay account. But this is only available for iOS users, so you cannot use this feature with anyone who has an Android phone. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.